Hello again, Luz. How's your day going?
I'm very good. How are you, Leslie?
I'm having a great day. I've had a lot of calls today. It's been very exciting, I will have to say, because you never know what's
Oh,
going to
that's all.
happen these days. We're
Yeah.
we're back in Englewood again. We're at another one of our waterfront properties here in Englewood. This is behind Maba's Pizza at 1084 Kant Street, Englewood, Florida. Thank you all for joining us today. We can't wait to show you what your opportunities are here in this house. Let's go on in. Double opening doors heading right into the formal living room. It's a living room, dining room combination. And those sliders are pocketing sliders, so it opens right up to that pool cage and covered lanai area.
This house just need a little bit more imagination with the colors, and you make it your own. It's an
Absolutely.
amazing area and very close to everything.
Yeah, it's nicely located right in the heart of town. They did a beautiful job updating this kitchen too. Nice granite, nice cabinets, and oh, so many
Having a
drawers. Yeah,
mm-hmm.
lots of drawers. Very convenient. And the pantry, the stand-up pantry, even has slide-out shelves in it, which is super convenient for storing your canned goods and all that. There's the guest room, one of the guest rooms. Did we mention it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath? And the guest bath. This is just off a
No, we
hallway.
didn't, but it's
Yeah, just off a hallway that goes out to the pool.
yes, it has a private entrance for the pool. Not in the bathroom, but very close by.
Yep, the hallway right outside there. And that was this room actually, I think, could be the laundry room. Don't you, Luz?
I think so. Behind that cabinet, there is the laundry in the garage, so you
Yeah,
can just switch everything inside and have an indoor laundry.
yeah.
But that's the master.
Yeah, we're in the master now with the double closets and
That
they're
master,
big.
they are huge. His and hers closet. I love them.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the master bathroom.
And isn't it nice that
Same.
yeah, you're gonna say it too. The cabinets and the granite all match in the whole entire house.
I do love that.
Yeah. Big lanai, pocketing sliders, and a very private pool. This has areca palms all the way around it, so it's extremely private. And a nice hot tub. It's a really big deck too. If you want outside living, outdoor
If you
living, this
like party,
there you
I
go.
love this one.
Yeah, party here. And this house has seawall on 2 sides of the property, and that lift is on the east side of the property, and then on the north side you have this little walkway that goes down to the water. So you could pull the boat around, or you could put your kayaks in on that side. It would be very easy.
How far do you think you are from being in the Lemon Bay area?
Well, I heard from some boaters in the area that it takes about 15 minutes to get to the Gulf from here. So whoops, right here down at the end of this canal, you go into the Oyster Creek, and right over here is the one bridge that gets you into Lemon Bay. And that's right where that boat ramp is that is north of the high school on Placida Road.
Oh,
Yeah, so you're not far. Not
that's
far to get
awesome.
out. Yeah, there you go. There's a better view of that. Not too far to the Gulf. So thank you all for stopping by and visiting with
That's
us today.
nice.
Yeah. Glad to see you guys visiting with us again on our open house. And if you'd like to have a video like this done of your own house to help you sell it, just give us a call and we'll happy to give you a no obligation consultation about how we get homes sold in this environment. So also, if you're a buyer, you can get in touch with Luz directly.
Yes, my cell phone number is 813-546-6717. What is that, our office number?
Our office
roughly?
number is 941-681-3420. And that number is actually being monitored remotely right now. So do leave a message and one of us will call you back promptly. Thanks again for joining us and we'll talk to you soon.